Looking to upgrade your truck bed with the ultimate protection and sleek style? In this video, we're counting down the best hard-folding tonneau covers that combine durability, security, and convenience. Stick around to find the perfect cover for your truck. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Gator EFX tonneau cover, a hard-folding cover that's as tough as it looks, designed for 2019 to 2022 Chevy and GMC Silverado or Sierra trucks with a 5 feet 10 inches bed. This cover is built to last. With heavy-duty aluminum panels that automatically lock when closed, it's all about durability and security. The panels are coated with a scratch-resistant, UV-protective, black powder coat finish, so it's tough enough to handle both the elements in everyday use. Got half an hour to spare? That's all you need to install this beauty. No tools, no drilling, just an easy, hassle-free setup. Now, here's the catch. It's not completely water-resistant. While it offers solid protection, expect a few leaks during heavy rains. But with over 800 global ratings and a solid 4.2 out of 5 stars, the Gator EFX proves it's still a fan favorite for truck owners who value quality and ease of use. If you're looking for a durable, stylish, and easy-to-install hard-folding tonneau cover, the Gator EFX might just be the one for you. Stay tuned as we roll into number 4. Coming in strong at number 4, we have the YITAMOTOR FRP tonneau cover, a budget-friendly beast with premium features. This hard trifold tonneau cover is compatible with 5 feet 2 inches beds of Chevrolet Colorado and GMC Canyon models from 2015 all the way to 2025. Talk about versatility. It's crafted with high-quality fiberglass reinforced polymer, or FRP, making it lightweight, ultra-durable, and resistant to dents, scratches, and harsh weather. Installation: it's a breeze. You can have this cover ready to roll in minutes. No drilling, no modifications, just pure simplicity. The locking mechanisms, while secure, are positioned closer to the joints, which means the very front and back aren't as tightly sealed as the center. But don't worry, it still does a fantastic job keeping your gear protected. With an impressive 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 1,000 global reviews, this cover is winning hearts for its solid build, sleek look, and outstanding value. If you're after a stylish, sturdy, and budget-friendly option, the YITAMOTOR FRP tonneau cover delivers big. But we're just getting started. Let's move on to number 3. At number 3, we've got the DNA motoring tonneau cover, a reliable choice that's built to perform in any weather. This cover is specifically designed to fit 1999 to 2006 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500, 2500, and 3500 models with 6 feet half an inch beds, plus the 2007 Classic versions. It's a perfect fit for fleet-side or style-side models. Crafted with black powder-coated aluminum plating and high-quality fiberglass reinforced plastic, this cover offers double-layer PVC protection with added UV resistance. It's durable, lightweight, and built to last. And speaking of easy, installation is a breeze thanks to the included clamps. Customers are raving about its performance. One driver took it on a 700-mile trip through a heavy storm, and guess what? Not a single drop of water made it into the truck bed. That's serious weatherproofing. With a stellar 4.4-star rating from over 1,100 satisfied users, this cover is proof that style, durability, and practicality can all come in one package. Whether you're tackling long road trips or braving the elements daily, the DNA motoring tonneau cover has got you covered. Ready for our top 2 picks? Let's dive in. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, we've got the BAKFlip tonneau cover. This one's all about premium design, versatility, and unbeatable performance, designed to fit 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150s with a 5 feet 7 inches bed. This cover features durable aluminum panels that automatically latch as it closes, and for added security, it fully locks once your tailgate is shut. Not only is it built tough, but those matte finished panels protect against scratches, marks, and UV damage, keeping your truck bed looking sharp. Whether you want it closed, folded, or flipped up, this cover lets you operate it with ease, and it won't block your third brake light. Talk about functionality. This cover is a true all-weather champ. Rain, sun, or snow, it's built to keep your cargo safe, secure, and dry. With a 4.6-star rating from over 1,300 reviews, the BAKFlip is loved by truck owners for its good looks, reliable performance, and rock-solid durability. If you want a tonneau cover that blends style, security, and weatherproofing, the BAKFlip is tough to beat. But hold on, our number 1 pick is coming up, and you don't want to miss it. And here we are. The number 1 spot goes to the OEDRO FRP tonneau cover. This cover has it all: durability, functionality, and an unbeatable value. Designed for 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150 models with a 5.5-foot truck bed, this hard trifold cover features high-strength fiberglass panels that offer exceptional protection and long-lasting durability. The robust panels can handle substantial weight, making it a top choice for those who demand toughness from their tonneau cover. It's not just about strength, it also looks great. The cover seals up nicely along the edges, giving your truck a sleek and polished appearance while keeping your cargo secure. Rain, sun, or snow, no problem. The YITAMOTOR FRP tonneau cover delivers reliable performance in all conditions and looks good while doing it. Sturdy, stylish, and packed with value. The YITAMOTOR FRP tonneau cover is the ultimate upgrade for your Ford F-150. With an impressive 4.5-star rating and over 2,300 reviews, this cover is a fan favorite for its functionality, sturdiness, and affordability. It's no wonder it's taken the top spot on our list, and that wraps up our list of the best hard-folding tonneau covers. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more truck gear reviews. See you in the next video.